flood watch. A few... The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Darke County until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winchester, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville, Union City, Ansonia, Wayne Lakes, Palestine, Abbotsville, Sharps Crossing, Cosmos, Sharp and Pikeville.